Hello everyone, welcome to our Nanhua drumming session. Today I'm going to teach you the last class of water sleeves drum. The first line is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Now let's try it on a drum using the tempo of 1/10. Ready? Let's increase the tempo to 130. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of the last class of water sleeves drum. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the like button.